Ifechuku, my boy. How are you?
I'm fine. Mom,
Yeah?
I want to talk to you.
Um, you two can leave, okay? Okay, man.
Mom, what is happening in this house? I noticed for the past few days that you and Dad are having problem. What is it?
Um, Ifechidi, the thing is you would not understand, okay?
Mom,
Yes.
how can you say that? At least I know when two people are having problem. That's how I discovered that you and Dad are having problem.
Ifechi, I don't know why you like being nosy. I just told you right now that you would not understand what is going on between your dad and I. It's beyond you. Listen, I don't want you to feel some type of way, okay? Everything is fine. Alright? Now
Okay,
put a
Mom.
smile on that face. Good. So, who wants some oranges? Do you
I
want?
do.
Aha! Now you were talking. Which do you want?
Anyone you choose for me.
Okay, so we'll just do a random pick. Mini, mini, mani, mo. Which does he want? This. Oh. Ta-da! Well, that's not the one I want for you. I want you to have this one.
Your Majesty, why do you want to risk your life? Any person or person that made money through Angela deity, they do yearly sacrifice. You go and pay your sacrifice every year. You're not the only person. Me, myself, I did it. You better do what Onyema asked you to do to avoid paying with your own life. You know what that means? You die. Someone else, you enjoy your sweat. Think about it, please.
But Joku, why didn't you tell me all these things before taking me to that place?
You did not ask me. Did you ask me? You only told me you were ready to do anything just to make money. Now you've made the money is here, now you're complaining. Why are you complaining?
Why wouldn't I complain? Jiku, why wouldn't I complain? First, it was my daughter, my lovely daughter, that I killed. Now they want my son or my wife. But no, I cannot do that. My son is all I've got.
Tell me, what are we going to do right now? There is no time.
That's why I called to seek your advice. I called to seek your advice. Because I don't know what to do. My wife knows everything to an extent she called her father, the uncle, and also some cabinet members and told them everything. That if anything happens to her, that they should hold me responsible. And my son is the only thing I've got. I cannot sacrifice him.
You mean your wife went that far?
Yes.
This is serious. I think I have an idea now.
Have an idea?
Yes.
I'm all ears. Talk to me.
Since we have just 8 days to meet up with what Ajala demands, I suggest you hurry up right now and marry second wife. Second wife so that you can use her.
Why are you walking under the sun with this baby and without umbrella?
I'm going home, sir. I'm almost through.
Okay, come inside the car, let me go and drop you off, huh?
I'm close to the house. Thank you.
I know, maybe you might be scared, but you're talking with the king of Ezra Kingdom. So don't be scared.
Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure meeting you, Victoria Majesty.
You're welcome. So what is the name?
My name is Chika.
And your baby, what is his name?
His name is
Nonso. Wow. How are you? Good, good, good. I hope if I eventually drop you off to your house, I hope your husband won't be angry.
There is no husband, sir. I am not married.
For real? You're not married? How come your child?
Sir, it's a long story.
Oh,
My parents told me that I lost my parents, so I grew up with my grandmother.
oh. You grew up with your grandmother? Wow, wow. It's okay. I'm sorry about that. I want to ask you something. It's going to be funny, but I'll still have to ask you. What if I ask you to marry me?
Marry me?
Yes.
But,
Just don't say but. I want you to say yes. And everything about you change. Hey, come on, come on. It's okay, let me drop you off. Come inside.
Why are you against your conscience? Apogini balogini me. One nemo. Akamu fano. Bachiriwa weputego. Weputego. Ega kaligego. They were insulted.
What I'm saying is that I so much like your daughter. Yes, I really want to do something for her. You know, she's so beautiful. She doesn't need to suffer. She doesn't deserve it at all. Okay? So she needs someone to take very good care of her. Yes.
Hey, thank you, Your Majesty. Darling,
It's okay.
so bad there. I will discuss with her and get back to you.
Okay.
I know your people very well. Have been this mother.
Okay.
Manakanjukwa,
Yeah.
your queen, the queen of Ezra Kingdom. But the aware.
She's very much aware. Yeah, she doesn't have any problem about that.
So bad, no problem. I will discuss with her then. Tell her people,
It's
her
okay.
kingsmen. Then we will get back to you.
It's okay. Cheka, cheka. Okay, hold on. Please, this is for you.
Penina.
Yes.
Hey.
Use it and
Hey.
know what to get for yourself.
Your Majesty. Hey.
Yeah.
Thank you so
And
much.
the chica, this is for you.
Hi.
For your upkeep.
thank
Buy
you, sir.
something for yourself and for your baby.
Thank you, God bless
Okay.
you, sir.
Thank you.
When the time comes, I'm going to talk to my kingsmen. They'll come around and do the needful, then bring my wife home.
Good.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Your
you,
Majesty.
Baby. Give me a hand.
He who sacrificed his conscience burns a picture topped in the arches. There is no worse sin than one against your conscience. Oh, why are you against your conscience?
Your Majesty, are you sure that if you marry this girl, you will use her? Or you're indirectly looking for a way to dispose me? Because I don't trust you again. I don't.
What do you cost it? You pushed me. You pushed me into all this. Now tell me, why is it that there's nothing I will do in this world to please you? You pushed me into all this. Yes, because I never wanted to do it in the first place. You pushed me into killing our daughter.
Hey.
I never wanted to do it. But out of your greed and selfishness, you made me do it. Now an innocent girl is going to die for your sake. For nothing.
I pushed you. Huh? Pascal, I pushed you. So if I tell you now to go there and choke your hand inside fire, you put it inside fire. No, what is the meaning of this? You keep putting blames on me each time we bring up this issue. Now, did I force you to use your daughter? Did I tie a rope around your neck and force you to take her to the shrine? What's the meaning of this now?
Let me tell you something. If you continue frustrating my life like this, and if they ask me to bring another person, I am going to sacrifice you and nothing will happen. You think I'm afraid of your people? Huh?
Pascal,
you think I'm afraid of your people?
Pascal, let me tell you, breaking news. You know you will look at me and say I'm a wicked woman. My spirit is more wicked. I swear, in 1 hour, I will kill you. I will look for you in spirit, in your body, anywhere you enter. I will kill you and kill your generation to come. Mua, you use me for sacrifice. Just try it. Try it!
See how you're ranting.
Mua ranting.
Am I running Ipeka? Ipeka from Deja, I made something. Yeah? You need to you're too small. Don't dare me. Don't dare me.
Pascal! I should not dare. So this man has gathered so much liver that he even has the thought of using me for rituals. Mbakwa, no, I won't let it happen. I need to do something really, really fast. Before he sees him where chwaja. Mua. Do I look like something that can be used for sacrifice? God forbid. Pascal will not try it. I need to act fast.
Mama? Huh? Mama, I'm here. You said you wanted us to talk.
Yes. I'm Chika. Sit down.
Mama, I'm okay. I can stand.
Chika.
Mama.
It's about that Igwe.
The one that is asking for my hand in marriage?
Yes. Oh, yeah, Mom.
Okay, what about him, Mama?
Chika. If you ask me, I will say don't marry that Igwe.
Yeah.
Ara from my mind is telling me there is something about that man. I am not comfortable with him. I am not. So I someone I said don't marry him.
Mama. Mama, but why are you saying this thing now? Why did it say it since? You have already sent for them to come and do the needful. Mama, so what if they come now and I refuse to marry him? What will you tell them? Mama, check it out now. It's not good now. Please, I want to marry him. Mama, nothing will happen. I am comfortable with the marriage, Biko.
Chika, it's so bad. If you insist, I will not stop you. Okay, Nania, I will not stop you. But don't say I did not warn you. But will you ever know you are not going into that house with my grandson?
Mama, Mama, but why now? My husband has already said he will train Nonso to any level of education he wants to go to. Mama, allow him now. Allow me to go with him.
And I don't want him to train him for me. At Chorom, I will struggle and train him by myself.
Mama, I don't understand you. Why do you want to suffer yourself training Nonso in school? My husband has already promised to do that, Mama.
Okay, he is not your husband already. In fact, Chika, Amarom, you don't feel the way I feel. I am not comfortable with that man. I don't know.
Mama, you have to take it easy. You have to calm down. Mama, you have to accept it. I am comfortable with it. Nothing is happening.
So bad wrong. But I warned you, Malo, you can go inside.
Mama, you have
I say it's okay. Go inside.
Mama, you have to calm down. Check why you're Fuma.
My husband. You go fight. Ụmụaka aghọtakwa. This girl aghọtara.
My beautiful chica, you are welcome to our home, okay? I want you to be relaxed. Feel at home, feel free. In fact, I've asked the cook to make you something really special just to say a very big welcome to you, okay? And I hope you are going to be a good wife to my husband.
Thank you, my queen. I will try my best.
Oh, she's so cute. Anyways, I want you to take my son here as yours. He is your blood. This whole house, everything in it belongs to you. Okay? And you, Isiaki. Awesome.
My queen, point of correction, my son is not an Isiaki.
I am so sorry. My apologies. My prince, I want you to respect Chika here. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, she is your father's wife. Alright?
Okay, Mom, I've heard. Please allow me to watch my football match.
Huh? Allow you to watch this match. You love football so much, but look at the people playing football. Look at them. They are slim. Oh. They are not as big as you are, and they don't eat as much as you do. Anyways, can we head to the dining? I think the cook is already telling me that food is ready.
Thank you.
Oh, please come. Oh, she's so pretty. What? Football. Let's go.
Mommy, they want to score goal.
He who sacrificed his conscience burns a picture to obtain the arches. There is no worse sin than one against your conscience. Oh, why are you against your conscience? Apogini balogini me, one more. I come for no, but you leave away putego, ega kaligego.
I told you I wanted everything important. You didn't need to buy everything for them. Exactly why I gave you that. Okay, let me hold you there. Woo! Okay, what in God's name is going on here? And where are you two off to?
We are off to the club.
Okay, wait a minute. Just hold it right there. Did I hear you? Wait. Off to the club. No, that's not true. Come on.
That's true. As you can see, am I to see you? I'm a young, vibrant man. You see, because I'm the officer at Kingdom, that means I'm also going to the club. Yeah? And you shall still, you know.
It's very mean.
I want to go and spoil my love, my new love. I want to go and spoil her immediately. Come around.
You rock! Oh my God! Manachireo, what is going on here? Does it mean that since I am not newly married, I cannot go to the club? Hasina halota awo achupu agadi. Is that what is happening here?
No,
My
come
queen.
on. That is not it.
My queen, it's not like that.
So tell me, how is it like?
His Royal Majesty, please, sir, can we all go for the club?
Okay. Sorry, guys. Of course, I would not go to the club with you. You know, my husband here used to take me to the club before I had my kids, so I've had my fill. Don't worry, go along, enjoy yourself. You look all posh, looking so good.
It's okay. So can we go now?
Okay, so you guys run along and enjoy yourself. Look at her. Turn around and looking. Oh, you know what? Yeah, take my husband to the club and boogie. Boogie.
You know.
Boogie.
Okay. Can we go now?
Yes.
Okay,
All right.
idea.
You have a nice time,
My
okay?
queen.
Aww. I'll miss you too.
Take care of yourself.
All right, you too, girl.
Bye.
You are looking so fly.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
You want actions that speak loud than voice. You want power just for your selfish interest.
So how did you meet him?
Everything went well.
You have gotten what you needed.
Meaning you're free?
You have gotten what you want.
For this year, yes.
Space of my life.
Okay, so but we still have a problem at hand.
Which is?
What do we tell our people? What do I tell Ifechuku?
That shouldn't bother you, man. Take care of it. I will send 2 of my cabinet members to go see her people. As for Ifechuku, tell him that Chika is dead.
Huh? That one that asks questions like a 90 years old man. What do I tell him killed her?
Accident. Simple.
It's not knowledge, but your actions which you took. Una
Oi, this is terrible. This is bad. I wouldn't have allowed them to travel to the city. Little did I know that my newly employed driver doesn't know how to drive. Now my new wife is gone. And my driver also is gone. Tell me, what am I going to tell her people? That the beautiful daughter they gave me to marry died under 1 week.
Your Majesty, how exactly the accident happened and where? What of her corpse?
On their way to the city, somewhere in 90 Mile or somewhere, they said the trailer fell break. The trailer hit them at the back and my driver lost control. Immediately their car fell inside the river. I believe everybody died. Till now, none of their corpses were found. Even my car.
It's a very terrible death.
Your Majesty.
This is terrible. So, Your Majesty, what do we do now?
Where is Ono? I wonder why Ono is not here. It's okay. Ichie for Bike. Please, I want you to do me a favor. Go to Ono's house. Tell him what happened. Then 2 of you should go to their house and also tell their people what happened.
Your Majesty, I will do that immediately.
Please tell them that I cannot come with you people because I am still in pain.
My lord, that was exactly what happened. Our Igwe was supposed to be here with us, but as we all know, he's highly bereaved. And people are trooping in and out of our palace to commiserate with him. Hence, he asks us to come and see you people and inform you of this tragedy that have befallen us. Please.
So what you are saying now is that our daughter Chika, whom we gave her hand in marriage to you people, not quite 1 week, is dead. Just like that. I want you to learn one more. I want Nako. Hey, hey,
Ndogom. Ewo. I got one of good bend them more. That was how all of us saw it. Look, guys, if we are what I couldn't get and judge here. Hey.
Oh no, right? You say you know of your community. So what you people are telling us now is that Chika, our daughter, is dead. Chika is dead. Okay. It's all right. So, where's our corpse?
Ndiogo, the truth is that since this thing happened, we have not seen the corpse. Hey. Hold on. Even the corpse of the driver who was driving them and the vehicle, they are all still in the river.
Oh,
where this useless, reckless trailer drivers take them from behind and they plumb into the river. We say that it is necessary that we inform you people first. But when you we have not seen them.
I told Chika that I wasn't comfortable with this marriage, but she wouldn't listen. Hey, Chika won't go. Chika won't go. Hey.
No.
My in-laws. What people said now. Anyarona. You have to go. We will send for our people and then we will discuss what next to do. For now, people can go. We have got your message. Don't worry, you can go.
Ndogom, Biko. As an object, when he mango, Chineke, oh yeah, man. People can go.
Yes.
Do you believe this story? These people just told us now.
How can I believe this? How can I believe this story? This is cock and bull story. As far as I'm concerned, they have not told us what killed our daughter. We must find out.
Yes, man.
You know what? This is ordinary story.
Don't worry, we'll handle it.
Hey.
We'll handle it.
The daughter who cannot see, the cops who cannot see, the vehicle, everything enter inside the river. Why don't people enter the river? Why not by any memory? Why not by any memory? We'll get to the root of this matter. We can't allow it like that now.
Your Majesty, we delivered the message, but unfortunately, Onowu couldn't make it with me. We told them everything that happened. They couldn't believe their ears. But there's nothing they can do.
Your Majesty, you have to take heart. What happened for a reason. Only God knows why it happened like that.
My beautiful wife, I've not even enjoyed her at all. And she just died like that. This is so painful.
Your Highness, it's very painful, I know. But you cannot kill yourself. I mean, life goes on.
Hey.
Just calm down.
Your Majesty, you have to call the cabinet meeting so that we can talk about her funeral.
Oh no, we will do that. Hey! Please don't kill me, please. Please don't kill me. Please. I'm so sorry. It wasn't intentional. It's not from my heart, please. I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
What did I do to you? Why did you kill me? Did I do wrong for accepting to marry you?
No, you never did wrong. I'm so sorry. Become a messy also. Please forgive me, please.
Your Majesty, who are you talking to? Are you well at all?
Go and tell my people what you did to me. Else.
Hey.
Are you okay?
Afabike, what is wrong with Your Majesty? Who was he talking to, pleading not to kill him?
Ijom Kamjuni. If you ask me, whom will I ask?
Maybe he was feeling the death of his wife. You know, he loves his wife so much. I think that's the problem.
Are you sure? Because this is not ordinary.
Yes.
I'm sorry. I didn't kill you. I did not kill you. I didn't kill you. It was my husband. It was my husband who killed you. I didn't kill you.
I will not kill you. But I would disgrace and frustrate your life. I will useless your life.
Please.
What is wrong with our queen?
How will I know? Both of us were here together and you saw what happened. Let's go and check on her.
Whatever you sow, you must reap back. No weekend that go unpunished in this life. No weekend shall go unpunished. You want actions that speak louder than voice. You want power just for your selfish interest. You have gotten what you want. You have gotten what you needed. You have gotten what you want in a space of my life. Unique and carry. What did I do to you? It's not knowledge, but your actions which you took. Una komitigo, una komitigo, una komitigo. No wicked shall go unpunished in this life. No wicked shall go unpunished. You want actions that speak louder than voice. You want power just for your selfish interest. You have gotten what you want. You have gotten what you needed. You have gotten what you want in a space of my life. Unique and what did I do to you? The great end of this life is not knowledge, but your actions which you took. Una komitigo.
What is going on? What has come over you? What is this I'm hearing about you? All over the places that you go about stealing. Today you stole a perfume at the supermarket. What is it that you want that you've not gotten? You have everything you want. What has come over you?
My king, I don't know what is wrong with me. I don't know what is happening. Everything just happens so fast. And the funny thing is that a few minutes later, I realized myself. And it has been on like that. I don't know what is going on.
You better go and know what is wrong with you and let this mess stop. Stop disgracing this royal family. Let it stop.
What is happening? What is going on? Does it mean my enemies are after me? No. No. Wait. Does it mean appeared to me and said she was going to disgrace me. Is this... No, that can't be the problem. I need to look for a solution real fast. Really, really fast. Hey! Queen of Ezira Kingdom. A thief. Hi!
My dear, I am confused. I don't know what to call this. Huh? The queen of this kingdom. Ha!
Dear lady, are you sure of what you are saying? And who is feeding you with this false information? How can Lolo Bridget, that I know, steal ordinary perfume in the supermarket when you and I know she has everything?
I am as confusing as you are. Perfume. Ordinary perfume. That if Lolo Bridget wants, she can import 100 containers of it. You know what? I couldn't believe this when my sister, that is the cashier of the supermarket, called me and told me this. That is, I don't know what to say. But all I'm saying that my sister cannot lie. She cannot lie with such a thing. Yes.
Something must be wrong. Bridget that I know can never do such a thing.
You said Bridget you know cannot do such a thing. At times you talk like a child. She cannot do such a thing, but she has done that. She has done it already. You know what? I am going to call all the women of Ezira Kingdom. All of them. I will tell them what this shameless Lolo has brought to us. And then we all will march straight to her house. She will tell us why she is bringing shame, disgrace and abomination into this kingdom.
It has not gotten to that. You are going too far. Please, you know what? I will go and see her and ask her so that I will know if what you are saying is true. Please.
Wait. Did you just call me a liar? Did you just call me a liar? You better do that fast. I know that you will support her. I know very well that you will support her because she is your friend. But I'm assuring you, it's a promise. We will not allow her bring shame and disgrace to this kingdom.
Dear lady, please, don't go too far. You and I know that Bridget we know can never do such a thing. Please.
Then watch me do that. I said, watch me do that. You better go to her. Discuss whatever you want to discuss with her. Because for me, I am off. She will soon hear from us.
Dear lady. How can? No. It's not possible. Bridget can never do such a thing. Okay.
Jebu, my son, you look troubled. What exactly is the problem?
Odogonima, Ikarika, your son is in trouble. I am restless. I've been running up and down, everywhere, helter-skelter. I can't even sleep anymore. Iwe Pascal's wife spirit is after me. She wants to kill me.
Jebu.
I don't want to die, please.
Jebu, my son.
Ikarika.
You know that you have come to your place of solution.
You're my last hope.
Don't let yourself no more. Ajala will always protect his kind. I will do something.
Okay. Please. Just help me. I don't want to die.
Ajala! Oh, great Ajala! Ajala!
What are you doing here? You are supposed to be in the land of the dead, resting.
How can I be resting when all of you caused my death? Caused me untimely death.
I don't follow. It's only your husband that killed you.
Now you have to pay with your life.
Do you know who I am? I am the great chief priest of Ajala. Nothing can happen to me. Now I will send you back to the earth.
Wait!
Don't move an inch!
Please, I'm not the one that killed you. It's your husband. Please,
Also pay with your life.
My daughter, you are well.
You really need to. I mean, it's not even good to hear for anyone to hear that the Queen of Ezira Kingdom still spins around. I need you to do something to reverse this, please. Biko.
My daughter, this is the handwork of your enemies.
Hi!
They want to kill you. They want to destroy you. But I'll put them in shape.
Thank you. You're the boss of our lives. Thank you.
Now, let me get some to prepare. Something you use to take care.
Where is this woman? Where is she? My money. So she has the guts to go to my shrine and steal my money. Mwabu udela bola. Aju udele. Amaro na anu udele ninu. Aju udele. Amaro na anu udele ninu. You will try and see. Try and watch them. Omo udele. Baba. 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 Oru na mbe. Oru mbe jamara mbe na bu nke boke. Baba. Baba gidi. Baba gidi. Baba gidi. Ara. Wherever you are. Madness. Ara. Ara Tubagi. Ara. 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 Madness. Madness. Follow you. Wherever you are, madness!
Whatever you sow, you must reap back. No wicked that go unpunished in this life. No wicked shall go unpunished.
Your Majesty.
Yes?
I'm here to ask you some questions.
What is it all about?
Your Majesty, as a matter of fact, things are not going normal in this kingdom. Not at all. Everything is going upside down.
I don't know what you're talking about. It depends on the area you're coming from. Because as far as I'm concerned, this kingdom is doing perfectly well.
Igwe!
What is it? What is it?
Igwe, Your Majesty.
It what?
She's mad. She's mad. I saw her start making along the roadside.
What? Our queen mad? Your Majesty, don't you see? I've been saying it that things are not normal in this kingdom, but you
Hey! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
I stop.
Nothing is wrong with my kingdom. Just stop it. Where did you see her?
By the roadside, Your Majesty.
Come on, show me.
Hey! Don't move an inch.
I'm not moving. I am not moving. Please, don't do this to me. Don't kill me.
Tell my people the truth. Tell them how you killed me. Else, your condition will be worse than your wife's.
Okay.
And go to my people. Give them money to train Nonso to any level until he becomes somebody.
Okay, I will do that. Whatever you want me to do.
Tell them how you killed me.
Whatever you want me to do, I am going to do it. No, there's no problem about that. Okay? It's my second wife. My second wife, please. Please, go to her people. Tell them I want to see them. Please, just go and tell them I want to see them, please. Hey, whoa.
What is wrong with our queen?
Are you okay?
What is wrong with our queen?
Hey! Just go and tell her people that I want to see them, please.
Your Majesty.
Hey!
Hey. Let's go. Let's go. Hey.
Hey. Ewo. And I also killed. Hey. I killed my lovely daughter. Oloma, how you killed her? I killed her and used her for money rituals. That was how I made my money. So I can challenge Chief Mbamalo. Hey.
But you told me your daughter is cooling now in America.
That was all lies. That was all lies. My wife pushed me into doing this. It wasn't my intention at all. She did it because of a certain desire to become the queen of Ezira Kingdom. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please forgive me.
So, Dad, you killed my sister and deceived me that she's in America.
My son, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry about that. Please forgive me. I did it to better our lives. Your mommy pushed me to do that. You know how much I love your sister.
Hey. So you killed my daughter. You married her just to kill her. I'm about to take that man. Okay, I'm about to take that man. It's no man. Hey. Ha!
I'm so sorry for your daughter. Please. The situation warrants I did that. But I am sorry. Look at that bag, it contains 500 million naira. The money is at the back and it can be enough to train Chika's child.
500 million working. I want that. I want to get out to marry you, but what will I do?
Dad! Dad!
Obe!
Dad!
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 Hey, how do you go? You have tried, my dear. Thank you very much. Chief Uze, what is our conclusion?
I suggest we send for Chief Mbamalo to come and ascend the throne since he won the second position. What do you say?
Ichienzegu, do you know how he made his money?
I don't know, but at least it has been long he made his money. And ever since then, we've not heard any bad news about his wealth or that someone died in his family mysteriously. So at least we let us hand over to him. Okay,
okay, if you say so, you have to notify Onowu.
So that is what I will do immediately. I will call him immediately. Though, you know, he's not around. He traveled for his medical checkup.
Exactly.
But I will give him a call.
Very good.
Tell him to call Chief Mbamalo to come back and take the throne.
Okay.
I think that is the best.
That's all right.
Chief, what's the matter? And you're not looking happy. I overheard you talking on phone. Is there any problem?
Well, I got a call from Uno. And he said I'm needed at the village.
You're needed at the village. And what did you answer him?
Well, I told him I'll be coming tomorrow.
So soon? Chief, you have to be careful with those people though. You have to be very careful. Because I don't trust any one of them after what they did to us. I don't trust them at all.